Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you step by step how to use tags in Finder on your Mac. Tags are a super helpful way to organize and quickly find your files, without needing to move them into different folders. Let's get right into it. Start by opening Finder from your dock. This is the file manager you use to browse all your files and folders. Once Finder is open, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Tags. These are color-coded, and you can customize them however you like. Now let's tag something. Find any file or folder you want to organize. Right-click on it, and you'll see a row of colored circles. These are your tags. Click on any color to apply it. If you want to name your tags or add multiple ones, click Tags in that same menu. Type a name for your tag like Work, Important, or To Review, and hit Enter. Click Done when you're finished. Now your file has been tagged. Next, let's see how to find files by their tag. In the Finder sidebar, click on the tag you just used. Let's say Important. Finder will now show you all files with that tag, no matter where they are stored on your Mac. This is really helpful for grouping related files, like documents, videos, or images, without moving them from their original folders. To manage your tags, click Finder in the top menu bar, then select Settings or Preferences, depending on your Mac OS version. Go to the Tags tab. From here, you can rename tags, change colors, delete tags you no longer use, and drag your favorite tags into the sidebar for quick access, totally customizable and easy to keep things clean. Here's a bonus tip. Tags work everywhere in macOS. You can apply tags while saving files, organizing your desktop, or even from apps like Preview and TextEdit. Just look for the Tags field in the Save window, and add or select a tag there too. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to use tags in Finder on your Mac to stay more organized and find your files faster. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.